So there's, as I said, there are different emotional behaviors that we can learn. Is it okay if I answer in English?
No problem.
No, okay. And so if there's a real sadness, one way how also people who attended our groups or other groups that deal with emotional work know that there are two kinds of, or more kinds of crying. There's one kind of crying when a deep pain gets touched, or when we are really sad about something. And when you cry out of authentic sadness, it's something that half of the room has wet eyes from. Because especially when we're in groups, when we are more intimate with each other, and when we are really caring and present with what's going on, if somebody expresses a deep sadness, it's touching you. You feel it. Your emotion know that this is true sadness. And then there is another kind of crying, which is some people have learned when they are really angry, to express anger is difficult in the setup where we are. But when we are crying, instead of being angry, then it's more accepted. And it's a way to connect. And so we all need to check, especially in contexts like this, when it's about kind of doing a surgery to come back to the authenticity. Sometimes we need to reflect things back that are happening. And I think you need to see if the tears come really from sadness, or if you learned to cover other emotions with your tears.
So you say the only way, or the only, let's say, right way to cry is when you feel sadness, because I think I cry when I have strong emotions, even when I'm very happy, when I'm very angry or very sad. I don't know.
As I said, you can. I didn't say the only right way. Yeah. Is what you said. No. I said we can discern tears that come from sadness, or tears that come from joy, or tears that come from compassion. We can see that these are tears that are genuine. And then there are tears that are covering deeper emotions, and they are a layer on top of it. And how we can detect it is that one part speaks to my emotions, and the other part creates a confusion in me. So I look at you crying, and somehow I miss the connection. This can be that I'm so disconnected, or that my emotional body gets a double message from you, and I don't know what to do with it. Because I believe the fact that in our culture we need to talk about our emotions is already a pathology. That you tell me what you feel is actually already part of the pathology, because I need to feel what you feel. When we are both healthy and mature, we feel each other. Your emotions talk to my emotions. They don't need the mind to translate it. But the fact that it's not like this means that we are disconnected from ourselves and also from others. And therefore we need to pay attention more to the subtleties of feelings, because they are very rich, colorful, like a palette of colors. You know, you have 10 yellow, you have 10 orange, you have 10 red. So that's a refined emotional system.